I'm ready.
Some kids are born into wealthy families, so they go to school in style. Others live a more modest life and get there any way they can. But the most interesting things happen when they study in the same class.
Ouch!
Oh, sorry.
Be careful! Ooh, finally lunchtime. I'm so hungry. Hello? I want to eat. Got it!
No way!
Hi, shall we start? Go on. Wahahaha! Cheese and veggies! Kaya! Time for chopping! Whoa! Yeah! 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 Whoa! Voila! All done.
Oh my goodness.
Here you go, sir. Bon appetit. Let's start.
Well, that's all I have.
This is awkward. Oh, I got an idea. Here, take this. Enjoy.
Really? Thank you. Oh yeah, delicious!
Aww, my girlfriend is so beautiful. What's this?
Cool shoes! Achoo! Oh, man. I guess this will help me with the dress.
Yuck.
Let's add some color, like this. And here we'll draw lines. Perfect.
Wow.
Sketches are ready.
Butler!
What?
Hey, this isn't ready? Please, sir.
Huh?
That's better. Let's decorate. Now take a napkin and fold it like this. Spread it out a little and add a golden ribbon. Attach it here and add a few more. Add more gold color, like this. Now the most beautiful detail. And it's done.
Wow, not bad. But that face looks weird.
What? How can you say that? It's so hot.
Oh no, I'm out of water.
I can't take this anymore. Butler! No, this isn't working. Ouch, ouch. Remove this. This isn't helping either.
Darn.
Here, sir. This should help. Oh, yes. Much better.
What about me? I think I know. This shape should work. We'll make a hole here. Thread this special elastic. Add a lid and secure it like this. Now set up the blades and add a couple of buttons. And the pocket fan is ready. Let's try to start it. Oh, yes!
Hey, turn down the over here!
What's this? Oh no! I totally forgot! Darn, where's my phone? Ugh. I need to hurry! Where did my keys go? Ugh, why is it such a mess here? There you are! Phew. Huh. I think I know what to do so I don't lose you again. First, let's make the cardboard pretty. Now glue the parts together like this. Add some nice edging. Insert this divider. And now let's make a box. Add a lid. And a handle. Perfect! Done! Turned out cool! Now I can put things here like this. Cool! Well, time to go! Wait, where are my keys? Oh, no!
Oh yes, my favorite perfume. I'm ready. Oh, she's here! Time to go! Let's see… Oh no! I'm running late!
Why is he taking so long?
I'm on my way! Almost there! Coming!
Finally!
Hi. Sorry I'm late. This is for you.
How sweet! Thanks!
Oh no! Where are my keys? Oh no! I left them in the room! I'll be right back.
I'd better go.